Gang feud suspected behind double murder and arson in Granville, St. James. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 7 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the details to come. Welcome to Links 7 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 7 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 7 TV News Report. The police have theorized that a gang feud is behind Sunday morning's double murder in Granville, St. James. The attackers also set fire to 3 houses during their rampage. The deceased has been identified as 63-year-old Ainsworth Buckner and 27-year-old O'Shane Brown, both of Garden Crescent in Granville. The police were summoned to the community shortly after 2 a.m. by residents who reported that heavy gunfire could be heard in the area. Upon the arrival of the police, it was discovered that 3 houses were ablaze. The 2 bodies were later discovered.